Good morning everyone. So in today's class we are going to start our book exercise as ma'am have told you that we have completed the work in our classwork copy, that is new difficult words. So now it's time for the book exercise. So first we'll complete this book exercise and then we'll do again the classwork copy. As you all know, some grammar topics are we are supposed to write in our classwork copy. So first thing that we are going to do today is lesson 6 Bob and his family book exercise, that is given on page number 46. So all of you quickly take out your book and open page number 46. On page number 46, we are going to do today is take the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones and fill in the blanks with the correct words from the help box, and then word fun where you have to match the pictures with correct names. Okay, so three questions we are going to do today, that is page number 46 having A, B in answer time and word fun A. Okay, and then if time remains, we'll do one more question. Okay, so first I will write down the question here and then I will explain how we have to do. Till that, you all take out your book, pencil, eraser, whatever you need to write. Okay, yes. So now I have written here the questions. The first one I'm going to read. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. आपको सही सेंटेंस के आगे राइट टिक लगाना है और रॉन्ग के आगे क्रॉस लगाना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज बॉब इज 2 years old. हमने लेसन पढ़ा था. लेसन की सेकेंड लाइन में मेंशन्ड है हाउ ओल्ड इज ही. सो हाउ ओल्ड इज ही इज 3 years old, राइट? सो हियर बॉब इज 2 years old लिखा है. सो इट मीन्स द सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग. सो विल राइट cross here. We have to make a cross. Okay. Next is his father is baking a cake for him. His father is baking a cake for him. Who was baking the cake? Mother was baking the cake and father went to work, है ना? To paper mill. He went to paper mill. So here again the sentence is wrong. So we'll make a cross here. So आप second sentence में भी cross बना लीजिए जल्दी से. Okay? Third one is Bob does not keep his toys away. Bob ने अपने toys वापस रखे थे क्या मम्मा के बोलने पे? No, he didn't keep that. So the sentence is right. Bob does not keep his toys away. So this is the right sentence. So make a tick here. Clear everyone? Good. I hope you all are doing along with me. Next is Bob laughs when his grandpa falls. Now in the sentence, fourth sentence, we are saying that they are saying that when his grandpa was falling down, he was laughing. Who? Bob. ऐसा है क्या? Bob हंस रहा था क्या जब उसके grandpa गिर रहे थे? No, he was very upset and he was very scared. No, कि उसकी वजह से grandpa गिर गए. So the sentence is wrong. So make a cross here. Okay. Next is last one. Bob says sorry to grandpa. Bob ने grandpa से sorry कहा. कहा था कि नहीं? Yes. So it is a right sentence. So make a tick here. So now we have completed question number A. That is tick the correct option and cross the wrong ones. Okay. So now we are going to write the second question, that is B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the help box. Okay, so I will write down the question. So now I have written the second question, fill in the blanks. Okay, so here you are having 4 fill in the blanks in this question. Okay, I will read it one by one and I will tell you the answers. So आपको पता है ये जो fill in the blanks लिखा है इसके आगे थोड़ा सा और क्वेश्चन है, मैम ने इसको शॉर्ट में लिखा है और उसके नीचे एक येलो कलर का बॉक्स बना हुआ है जिसमें आपको ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. So you can see this, right? ये दिख रहा होगा आप लोगों को लाइक दिस, है ना? आपको इस तरह से लिखना है बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन विथ योर पेंसिल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बॉब्स मदर इज बेकिंग अ ब्लैंक्स फॉर हिम. बॉब की मदर उसके लिए क्या बना रही थी? व्हाट शी वाज बेकिंग? शी वाज बेकिंग केक. सो राइट CAKE, केक in the first blank. Done everyone? Yes. The second one is blanks tells him a story every day. Who used to tell him a story every day? Grandma. So write Grandma, grandma. Done? Write it fast. Okay. The next is Bob's grandpa brings blanks and blanks for him. Bob के grandpa उसके लिए क्या लाते थे? What he used to bring every day? He used to bring sweets and toys for him every day, right? So SWEETS, sweets, TOYS, toys. Done? Very good. Next is Bob's grandpa tells him to put the toys in the blanks place. Bob के grandpa ने क्या कहा Bob से? To put the toys in blank space. कौन से स्पेस पे रखने बोला? आप देखो लास्ट ऑप्शन क्या दिया हुआ है? राइट. What is it? Right. 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 In the last blank you have to write right. 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 Okay. So this was your second question, that is question number B. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Now we'll move on to the matching part, that is word fun. Okay. So all of you get ready with your pencil. We are going to match the pictures given with the correct name. Okay. Yes. Now see here, I have drawn it. Okay. जैसा आपके बुक में बना है ठीक वैसा ही मैम ने ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. भी आप सब देखेंगे. Look here everyone. Can you all see this? Word fun question. आपको यहाँ क्वेश्चन दिया, नीचे कुछ पिक्चर और नीचे उसके नाम दिए हुए. आपको क्या करना है? पिक्चर देख के उसका सही नाम से उसको मैच करना है. Clear? So the first one is sugar. यहाँ देखो शुगर लिखा ही हुआ है. ये शुगर का एक बॉटल बना हुआ है. आपको शुगर को मैच करना है. So where is sugar? Flour, butter, eggs, oven, sugar. Here it is, right? So we'll match sugar with sugar. Can you see this? इस तरह से straight line खींचिए आप लोग भी. You can use your scale also. Okay. Then second is egg tray. है ना? So we'll see where it is. Flour, butter, eggs. The third one is eggs. So match the egg tray with eggs. Clear? Yes. The third one is a bowl full of flour. ठीक है? आटा रखा हुआ है एक बाउल में. So where it is? Flour. The first one is the flour. Can you match this? Flour. ठीक है? Then next is butter. ये देखो butter लिखा हुआ है. अब इसको मैच करेंगे. Where is butter? The second one is butter. So match this with butter. Can you see this? Try to do it along with me. Okay. Next is the last one. Oven. ठीक है? See last option oven. आया सबको समझ में? So this was your page number 46. हमने आज page number 46 का exercise complete किया है and it was very interesting, right? हमने true false जैसा ही cross and tick लगाया sentences को और fill in the blanks किया जिसमें हमें येलो बॉक्स में हिंट भी मिला था. इसके बाद हमने वर्ड फन किया जिसमें हमने पिक्चर्स को राइट नेम के साथ में मैच किया. ओके, सो दिस वाज योर टुडेज वर्क. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी डूइंग पेज नंबर 47. On page number 47 we are having question number B. Now find these words in the grid and one has been done for you. वैसे हम चाहे तो इसे आज भी कर सकते हैं but it will be little more for you, है ना? हमें धीरे धीरे करना है और याद भी करना है. So we'll do it in next class. ठीक है? In next class along with this we are going to discuss the grammar topics also. Okay? So yeah, keep learning, keep practicing and complete this work today itself. Okay? Good day everyone.